Happy Friday, Souls community. In today's tailoring tutorial, I'm showing you exactly how I made this costume men's trouser as a special Father's Day gift. We are sewing the cargo trouser using my basic men's trouser block, and I'll be breaking down all the steps I use in making it. First, let's start with laying down the pattern. One issue people have with making trousers is making sure the trousers lie on the right grain. So first of all, you're going to square out your right grain, making sure everything is equal, and then you're going to place your pattern using the grain. So I have placed it, making sure it aligns with the grain line. Then I went ahead to add sewing allowance to this because the basic trouser pattern didn't come with sewing allowance. So after cutting it, I added where I am going to be inserting the cargo pockets. Make sure you mark this because after now you will not be able to know where to add the pocket. So after doing that, I went ahead to cut out the front panel first. And after cutting this, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the back. Also, I'm doing the same thing, making sure the grain aligns. So first of all, square out your line and then place your pants on it. If you have not gotten your PDF sewing pattern to this trouser, make sure to go and grab this exact layered PDF sewing pattern. I'll be linking it down in the description section so that you'll be able to join me and cut this as we sew along. For those that use projectors, this PDF sewing pattern is fully optimized for projectors, and it comes with large margin, dark and white mode, and they are all mirrored. None is on fold. So make sure to get the PDF pattern in the description section. So I went ahead and also marked the pocket. Then I'm going to go ahead and sew the zipper fly. Remember, this is basically a sew along video. It's not really a tutorial because I've been sharing different tutorials on how to sew zipper fly, how to sew trouser pockets, how to sew almost all the components of this trouser. I have done a full tutorial on them. So this is just a sew along video. And to Friday Souls community, you guys let me know what you made for Friday and what you made for Father's Day. This is a gift I made for Father's Day. You guys let me know what you made. I'm all ears. I'm itching to hear. Let me know that in the comment section. If you're just joining this channel and you have not seen videos on how I make zipper fly, let me know in the comment section and I will drop the tutorial for you to watch. It's very easy. Because this is an African print, you will not be able to see a lot of things. That's why I didn't use this fabric to make a tutorial. I just wanted a sew along video with it. So for the trouser band, the back has an elastic and the front doesn't have elastic. So I'm going to get the band. What I have here is 4.5 inches. I'll just go ahead and cut out exactly what I have on the waistline, and then watch the way I'm going to sew this elastic. Is the easiest. This is the easiest I always use because in fact I have a lot of sewing tutorials on how to insert elastic, to make elastic casing, but this one is the simplest, is beginner friendly, guys, because you don't need to start calculating what you need for your elastic or anything. You just pass your elastic through it and then you drag it, making sure you have exactly what you want, the way you want the elastic to be. That's how you're going to make sure it is. Then you now cut it out. You don't need to start measuring anything with this method. You know, it's the simplest for me, so you can see how simple it is. And then I decided to run some stitches on the elastic. This is actually optional. You can decide not to run elastic on it. actually. Because you have held it on the two ends, it would stay in place. This is, for me, this is just formality. So after I was done, I would just go ahead and sew the elastic to the back. So this has elastic at the back and the front doesn't have elastic. I will also drop a tutorial on how to sew this welt pocket. It's another very simple one to do. So since we are here, let me just do a small tutorial on how to sew side pocket. So here I have 3 inches by 7. Then you're going to iron this like this. You have already interfaced this, right? You're going to get your trouser pockets, your side pockets, and make sure you notch the center. If you don't notch the center, you will not be able to know what you're doing after you're done. So you go ahead using that crease that you have made, you sew here. After sewing it, it should look like this. Make sure to top stitch it, and also top stitch this place down to the trouser, to the pocket. Then you go ahead and close this. So I'm going to show you how to close this. After sewing it, you turn it over again and then sew it, making sure with this method you're going to conceal the sewing allowance. Then you go ahead and place your pocket cover. You know, the pocket came white, then you don't need to show that white, so you use your pocket facing to cover it and it should look like this. Then use that notches that you have made and just align it, and it will be looking proper. And oh my god, today I'm not in the mood to do a voiceover, but anyways, yeah. So next you go ahead to sew the band. So I also made eyelets and passed this rope. You can use any type of rope, joggers rope. This is the one available to me, and that's the one I'm going to use. This was just it was a quick one. Just did a fast one. So turn it over like this, and you're going to close that center front. You close this place, turn it over, it should look neat. So after turning it, this is how it's going to look. Then you're going to go ahead and do stitch in the ditch here. That will conceal your thread. So after you're done doing this, you are going to sandwich your back. Bring the back side of the trouser and then sandwich it and sew it all the way down. After you're done sewing it, it should look like this. Also go ahead and sew the stitch in the ditch to conceal everything here. It will look neat at the back. So that's it. And then we are going over to the side seam. Because we're adding cargo pockets, make sure you always iron that place open, and then you're going to place your cargo pocket. I have done a tutorial on this, you guys, and I have a PDF pattern for this cargo pockets. This cargo pocket is, in fact, you will not understand. It's very nice. Anyway, I have the PDF sewing pattern is on my website. I will always drop any link in the description section. So just go ahead and sew here, and then you're going to make this knit block here, or you make it a V, depends on how you want. You see why I didn't want to make this a tutorial? You cannot see properly with this African print. So I'm going to go ahead to do the pocket. I'll close the top pocket. So this is it after I was done. Next, we are going to close up the trouser. So you're going to make sure you iron this properly and then sew the inside leg. And after you're done, the trouser is ready. Make sure to get the PDF sewing pattern to this trouser. You will love it. And this is the final look, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.